Well there, prominent activist and politician Aisha Yesufu has openly expressed frustration over the process that led to the selection of the Nigerian Democratic Congress NDC candidate for the Federal Capital Territory Senatorial ticket, raising fresh concerns about transparency and internal democracy within the party. Her remarks come amid ongoing debates surrounding the outcome of the party's recently concluded primaries and candidate selection exercise across the country. The development has generated significant attention among party supporters and political observers, especially given Yesufu's prominent role in national advocacy campaigns and her growing influence within opposition politics. Speaking during an interaction with party officials, Yesufu questioned the manner in which the selection process was conducted and challenged explanations reportedly given for her failure to emerge as the party's candidate. The activist argued that commitment previously made by party leaders regarding consultation, stakeholders' engagement and transparency should have been respected. According to her, the issue extends beyond personal ambition and touches on the credibility of the processes used to determine who represents the party in future elections. The controversy comes at a sensitive time for the NDC, which has been dealing with growing concerns over delay in announcing the outcomes of some primary elections and candidate selection exercise. Several aspirants across different states have raised questions about the procedures being adopted by party leaders, with some alleging that decisions are being influenced outside the officially recognized primary election process. While party officials have repeatedly assured members that due process is being followed, concerns continue to surface from aspirants who believe the process lacks sufficient transparency. During the discussion, Yesufu revealed that she was recently informed that her relatively late entry into the party may have affected her chances of securing the senatorial ticket. The explanation appeared to have deepened her frustration as she questioned why such a factor would become a determining issue after she had already participated in the process. According to her, she has endured intense criticism and public attacks in recent days while trying to understand the circumstances surrounding the outcome. I was told recently that I came in late to the party. Who does that? I have endured a lot in the last few days. My name has been dragged all over, she stated. Her comments suggest that she believes the reason being provided do not adequately explain the outcome of the exercise. The activist indicated that individuals who commit themselves to a political platform should not be disadvantaged by factors that were not clearly communicated from the beginning. She argued that political parties must establish consistent and transparent rules that apply equally to all aspirants if they hope to maintain the confidence of members and supporters. One of the most striking aspects of Yesufu's remarks was her insistence that she was not demanding preferential treatment or special consideration. Instead, she said she was merely asking for a process that gives every aspirant a genuine opportunity to compete fairly. Her comment appeared aimed at highlighting what she views as structural deficiencies in the selection exercise rather than focusing solely on the final outcome. I am not even asking for a level playing ground. I am asking for a ground, she declared. That statement has quickly attracted attention on social media, with many supporters describing it as a powerful expression of frustration over what they perceive as exclusionary political practices. Others have interpreted it as a broader criticism of internal party processes that may discourage participation by individuals seeking to challenge established political interests. Yesufu also emphasized that she is not opposed to losing an election or selection contest if the process is conducted fairly and transparently. According to her, political competition naturally produces winners and losers, and aspirants should be prepared to accept outcomes when they are satisfied that the process was credible. Her concern, she explained, is whether all participants were given equal consideration and whether the procedures followed reflected the principles the party claims to uphold. I am ready to accept that I lost. If I lost fairly, I am ready to accept that I lost, she said. Political analysts note that this aspect of her comment may resonate with many Nigerians who have long complained about the conduct of internal party primaries across different political parties. Internal democracy has remained one of the major challenges facing Nigerian politics, with dispute over candidate selection frequently leading to court cases, defections, and prolonged internal crises. Several parties have struggled to balance consensus-building efforts with transparent competitive processes, often creating tensions among aspirants and party stakeholders. The situation is particularly significant because the NDC has attempted to present itself as a platform committed to reform, transparency, and participatory politics. Many supporters joined the party with expectation that it would operate differently from older political organizations frequently accused of imposing candidates and manipulating internal processes. As a result, allegations of unfair treatment or procedural irregularities carry substantial political implications for the party's public image. Despite her frustration, Yesufu indicated that she had deliberately avoided engaging publicly with many of the criticism directed at her during the controversy. She explained that her silence should not be interpreted as weakness or acceptance of the situation. Rather, she suggested that she has chosen to remain focused on broader objectives beyond the immediate dispute surrounding the senatorial ticket. Observers believe her decision to speak openly about the issue may increase pressure on party leaders to provide greater clarity regarding the selection process and address concerns raised by aspirants. The controversy also adds to ongoing discussions about the future direction of the party and its ability to maintain unity as preparations continue for future elections. As reactions continue to pour in from party members, supporters, and political commentators, the dispute highlights the delicate balance political organization must maintain between managing internal competition and preserving confidence in their democratic processes. As reactions continue to pour in from party members, supporters, and political commentators, the dispute highlights the delicate balance political organizations must maintain between managing internal competition and preserving confidence in their democratic processes. Whether the NDC leadership responds with additional explanations or reforms remains to be seen. But the controversy has undoubtedly placed renewed attention on the importance of transparency, fairness, and accountability in political party administration. For many observers, the larger issue extends beyond the fate of a single senatorial ticket. The debate touches on broader questions about how political parties select candidates, how emerging leaders are treated, and whether internal democratic principles are being upheld. As the conversation continues, Aisha Yesufu's remarks have become part of a wider national discussion about fairness, participation, and future of democratic politics in Nigeria. That's all for now on News Express, and thank you for being with us today. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. I am Emerald Onofi. See you some other time. Do have a beautiful day.